But Ruggedman, tell me, when you begin, you can't change from that Ruggedman where everybody is savvy. You can't enter into a Ruggedman that is becoming like more of a businessman. Within anybody where they see you that time, no go no say you get business inclination. I know say you don't try shoes before.
Yeah.
Yes, you can't start to do, a lot of ready to wear things where ladies and gentlemen can wear. After some time I see feeding bottle.
Water bottle.
Because everybody don't become very health conscious.
That kind of.
Everybody is drinking water.
Then become health conscious, me become business conscious.
Yeah. So tell me, what thing they inspire you and the line of business where you do?
Everything where I do right now still they in line with music, they in line with entertainment. Because when I come up as a new artist, the magazines where they read back then, and they see where artists like Jay-Z and P. Diddy, all of them actually get their own clothing line. And then so, something where I always hope, say when my own time will come. When, or maybe back then I say if I ever become big artist and I get the opportunity, I go do something like that. So as it happened, I thank God.
Yes.
Though most of my friends go say, Igbo boy, Igbo.
Igbo boys, why do you think say I be Lolo? When they tell people, say every tribe, they engraced with different kinds of things. My Igbo brothers, I'm looking for Igbo lovers seriously. Yes, I'm not saying that there not be say exceptions to every rule. Sometimes some things are just more prominent in some areas than some other things. Just like someone, if you talk Hausa men, they're very good maybe politically. They have some other things that they do. Yeah, they're animal rights lovers, all those kind of things. But yes, you're pushing the brand beyond the culture, beyond every other thing, beyond the business of hip hop self.
Yes.
You're showing everybody that you guys are still. A lot of people before go say artists know they get sense and everything are play, but now they don't change. You go see say it's becoming a trend.
Yes, now it don't evolve basically, because all of us when we start music, I sure say a lot of Nigerians, maybe in my own time, like we see a lot of American rappers and things. So at least you need to still imbibe some of their things where then they do, not just the music. Yeah.
All right, hold that thought. Make I rush go market. Me and Ruggedman still there inside the building. Maybe I go see buy one or two t-shirts when him they sell. She doesn't want to delete the one. Yes, we're still there 95.1 and I got the regular gentleman in the house and everybody don't they follow the guy relate. Somebody they say Ruggedi Baba Ukpomulero. It's a man you for life.
Yes,
and
so
they feel Baba. Are you a man use?
Ask off.
Kill me no.
Woman use.
No, as an ambition.
As an ambition.
I will teach us. I'm miss. I won't just see why you have to miss.
Fourth position, you sure? I'm not worried. It's okay.
Lolo, please play Koleye one.
As now the song where Idris feature me with that.
Everybody, say sometimes how you they feel when people they call you back to your old school music.
Well, I feel good because at the end of the day, it means that I appreciate them that time and then still appreciate them now. I feel good, man.
You they feel like say, they sing music where people they feel like that too. Jesus.
Just like as you did now, they never sack you since. You feel good.
Hey,
if you do something.
Hello, you're to back bunk of this year. Oh, God, you're me, Fanny, or Ruka, tongue, pair, and one. I'm about the limiting by bed, poor by. Tell them that because Paco the Virunilaro. So, that one is after now. Let me play a rugged collie. You want to recall ye. Got a rugged man now. It needs the gods. Yes. I remember that time they also you see where now you don't sick.
Amen.
Not sick.
They don't progress. Thank the Lord.
Forget you had your hiatus. You had your time of hiatus.
And everybody they have them once in a while.
That time of a hiatus, now those days you are woman confused. That you are jumping from pillar to post. Why did you jump on me that time?
I tried.
You didn't look at me like
moving too fast. And you had too many
yes, so I'm a complete yeah. What can I do? I'm a girl that goes round. I'm big enough.
Oh, okay, there's enough of you to go around.
Are you trying to call me a retailer?
No.
Is that what you are saying? That I don't say
I'm talking about the business here. We're just
well,
talking
Lagos
business.
people, if a rugged man come outside, I will rugged him. Lolo, tell rugged man to move close to the mic. I want to kiss him. Lord, rugged.
I'm there now, yeah.
If na mat we fight now, nothing there. Don't let him lie to you. Lolo, good afternoon. Thanks, you guys are just making us laugh. Oh, that's right. You know he has a sharp mouth and I have a sharper mouth. So it's a sharp together. We'll make a good couple, Abby. Okay, man, can you be my Valentine?
I'll
So that me and you have a TSW moment. I see you they use a couple something to they do your design model.
Couple is it?
Are you trying to promote us that are single? Is it a sin?
Us that are single.
Is it a sin? Why can't Rugged Man and Lola appear in TSW?
We should help each other, Abby.
And I know how to do Zezzy pose. It's just that you have not seen me spiritually. Video visit. Tired. They call me tired girl.
They call you?
Tired girl.
Why?
Because of my Michelin tires. Oh God. It's lovely. Imagine when you dey dance, go just see slow motion, the belly go just move.
No. Only you gonna do slow motion for real time.
Evil guy. He want disgracing Papa. All right, Lola, I'm Azan from Okota, Rugged Baba, I hail you. I did so proud of you. Play Baraje. Are you controlling me? Eh? And they play this in old school college. I don't pay Baraje. What's wrong with you? Why can't your head be in the new game? That their head is in the old game. I remember this Baraje. I never even see Baraje. Baraje don't go with Oti Baraje Koni system. Rugged Man, and they say hello. My guy, keep it up. But Rugged Man, now that the rap game, you go say the rap game don't change a little bit. At least things, you guys started it. But now the younger ones are, chopping the bar.
When we come that time, now we be the younger ones of that time.
Of that time, but you still experience the poverty times of
Oh, trust me, yes, so.
But your counterparts, the younger ones, are working, enjoying the hard work.
The fruits of our own labor.
You know, sometimes we never really understand the problem with foundation of house they face. You know, no saying a little and roof they enjoy. But now the foundation I they hold.
I be the Opo, Tomulero.
See this Igbo boy trying to feel like Yoruba something.
No, don't worry, I'm not Lolo.
Everywhere area. Dollar Taja, come on, Jeju Molly. No, Shele, don't you alabatro lele na. Want to lo CDM, want to. Oh, she go.
Download the all CD more, Lolo.
If you see the flash, that Rugged Man carry go here, go no say alone. Àwọn ẹgbẹ́ gbé kilo hard drive kiri òun yìí mú flash help me flash já kó lè fóònù já. I need water, girls. I need to cool down. Get me ketchup quickly. Ketchup.
Don't forget the chips and the chicken.
Ketchup.
In the do ketchup moment, he's a fan. He's a fan. So we're doing ketchup. Oh, you don't.
Video vixen moment.
Don't join us. This one is for later. Wait. We'll do Snapchat.
No even try. Oh my hard work. No, say hard to.
Nobody can. Don't worry. The price rest.
Are you ready, guys?
Run away.
Are you ready? Quiet in my studio. Are you ready? Hi, baby.
Hello, everybody. We're here, and that is Ruggedy Baba.
Where is he?
That guy. This is look at that sexy face. Oh my God.
I'm a video. Are you ready?
Yes, I am.
Yes, so I still got my guy, Rugged Man, in the building. Rugged, thank you so much for coming and spend time with me. I've really been wanting to tell you for all these days. See how they feel you.
But you're too far to feel me now. Move
No
closer.
matter. No, I know they feel you up close. I'm feeling you from afar.
No, like all those Bluetooth feelings.
Forget now, virtual love the ray. You go no say you never even reach your
prefer
key.
before when they do infrared, where you get to touch the phone to the phone.
What you why you love letter? The zoology. The zoology. For the highland of love to the mountain of romance.
You get what crazy what I do? I write to the girl and at the back page of the paper I use right and she didn't reply me, tell me no.
No, Jesus.
So, that was back to sender.
Wow, I beg me ask Ruggedy Baba, say if he feel as if you're coming artist to achieve musical career. Are you a philanthropist?
I'm not, but I tell you, say just hustle well, get your money so that you go promote and shoot good video like Ketchup.
Yeah.
Videos there. Anyways.
This boy is a Yahoo boy. He don't sell the kidney. I Ketchup will sell the kidney for Malaysia.
See, please, this video to EFCC might just be outside now.
But in they do video now, they see no line, they do. They say tattoo line.
No, if you know where they say kidney, I want to say.
Honestly, the only thing I want
to
send
my own, send my manager and take 10%. Send my road manager and take 10%.
All right, Ruggedman, post Ruggedman people on picture on Facebook and Twitter. I relax. After I finish, you hold me sexually, then we take picture. See them bad people. Lolo, play Ruggedman featuring. I don't want to controversial time, please. Lola, babe, finish that music of Rugged. I dey fight. See, I fight 50 cents. Why are these people still so? It's your music of hope that they're still feeling like that.
We thank the Lord. Maybe then they try to go against old things that passed away.
They want to stay up. Yeah, they want to stay up. So, Rugged, tell me, what's your newest joint? You know, what joint are you take now?
The joint I'm pushing right now, and my joint where I filter Olamide.
What's the name?
It's called Shei Shei.
Are you trying to propose her to Shei Shei?
If I want to try, I will propose immediately.
So what happened to me and my home aspiration?
No, the next double will be called Lolo1.
Exactly, because I carry double digits all over. Everything about me is double. See. Oh God. Shei, Ruggedman, they think about you. Maybe there's I hope whatever is going to break in the secret can break on my show. Because I'd love to be the first person to expose the
exposables.
Exactly. No. Is there anything that needs to expose? Everything is out in the open. There's not much to cover.
Oh, is that why you're wearing bikini today?
Under my dress. What's going on?
Why not Shei?
Why not Lolo?
No, I said you the next double now.
Oh, baby. Shei days time be the video facing for this.
I'm not gonna say anything for that.
It's still coming soon.
That kind of
and you know, Ruggedman like to really like to surprise people. Because I can be the Shei of his heart.
You know.
Even me, I laugh because I don't see your exes. I'm not even qualified for E, not to talk of the eggs. Because you have to sculpture me. And the amount of cutting away that will be done will be really inhuman. Ruggedman, so tell me, when are we expecting, like, well, a lot of people go, they say they just feel the song, they start to vibe. So when they go feed download down, they won't feed the song, you know, that kind of thing.
If you want to feel the song, just go on Cloud9.
Oh, Cloud9.
It's on Cloud9 on the internet, or go my Instagram page at Ruggedy Baba. You will see them for the link we did for my bio. Just click on it. And you will get the color tune, you will get the song.
We help our ministry. It's going to use it to help you.
Yeah, but you know, now one of your people produced the track. Tyrone produced.
Oh my God! Do you know something secret about Tyrone?
If you say it now, it won't be a secret anymore.
Okay.
But say it anyway.
When I think of Tyrone, I just get, I need breeze.
Somebody bring fire for her, please.
What did they blow me?
Her hand.
Do you know that Tyrone is a love interest? Don't worry, I'm a polygamous in nature. It's not unusual.
It's okay.
It's not
unusual. There's love in sharing.
Tyrone is the only person I know that can lift me off the ground effortlessly. He just does it naturally.
No, you need to work out. He gets muscles.
But he's so, oh God, it's such a wow moment.
Okay.
Don't give them bad idea. But this we need to read. Ruggedy, the best for you. 10 years when you do Baladia. He said they bounced me for the video shoot.
Sorry now. I know that day inside when you come. You say you call me, okay, you don't get my number that time. But, so sorry, say them bounce you. But if you hear say we want to shoot the video for Shei, tweet at me.
then they will
Twitter,
enter. Even if it's just to be the guy where they shake
or
it.
what's cause was we'll give you wig and wear for head, you will be shake for you. Just to make up for this 10 years of pain.
Of pain. I see the guy who say, only he say, Lolo, tell Ruggedman to leave our Lolo alone. No. If you don't go see something, no joke. These are my diehard fans.
Not only for Twitter, the Twitter.
Oh
You
my
are one
God.
of those internet gangsters.
Forget that, not mind them. I'm selling myself to highest bidder. Last year, that's why I say I get fans, so Valentine go sweet. They not even remember me saying she come. Anybody that want to collab on a date, I'm very just pay me money. I follow you anyway. Even go and greet your family people.
Only say that one would be more expensive.
Lala, they say no mind them. Play us his collabo with Olamide. I just played the song. Lala, well done though. I beg, ask Ruggedman, say we know here from here for some time. We don't miss her. Where you go?
No.
Maybe now that time I go do my wine carrying secretly. Because everybody is secretly marrying now.
9 papers.
But I don't know, I'm growing big in the front. I don't know if a baby mama is because we use the same microphone. Any miracle can happen. Lolo, help me ask Ruggedman whether he will allow me to show in his album. Can you take a picture and show
If
him?
you can show him my album, man, you go shock me. Because now my video now you feel show.
Your Lord, how fast he lay. I call your picture and the show for album. Honestly, you can buy one of his CD, then do your own cover.
No, but see, the catch, imagine if you just take one random person follow you for album cover.
Have you? Fans, your Lord, 2 fingers. Lolo, ask Rugged the Baba. Which did he see from Che? And why not Cynthia Munga or someone else? Shedra, because this English, don't answer it. Because this English was what killed that man that they are looking for the killer today. Because this is say from Chi. Rugged the Baba. So it's not you. Now Rugged the Baba you be. But this person is asking for the Rugged the Baba. Waiting is it from Chi. Jesus. English only fire. Lolo, tell us his Twitter. I don't want to follow you where the word on Twitter.
This is Rugged Baba. Ruggedy. Okay, everybody, I could just say, thank you for the love and the support all time. I don't give Ruggedman from then to now.
Oh.
Lolo, big shout out to you.
Oh, baby guy, I love it. Yo, this is a fun moment. Oh. Grouping moment.
I bet when they show her radio shows for TV. When I need to the show.
No, tell Ruggedman to give you 100 meter gap because you're making me jealous, right? You know, some of they need my voice for a little help. I have someone that's a bit.
Sorry, yeah.
So, no, I love you. I have a lot of them with my picture in the house, but they don't really know me. So they put my picture on the right body.
Oh, okay. They choose their own body.
Yeah, I put the head.
Okay.
Oh, God. So I'm a lot of people's fantasy. Honestly, I'm out of here for the next few minutes. I sell market and follow Rugged to his motto. Maybe with the t-shirt, I can have my feeding bottle and feeding money. Pure begging situation. Valentine is coming. I have no Valentine, no lover. So it's going to be...
Me too, I don't get Valentine.
I don't want to be in your shoe. Every girl you have touched, I know how you left them.
I just know they leave me.
Their life were never the same, so
It's
they had to...
It's called improvement.
Ketchup.
Be my Valentine.
Hello, Magic. If you see this boy energy, he put to sit down drink juice with straw. That's if he get attack. Not to come and say make we come dance paparampa. I beg you, come up me for here before they reduce my salary. Oh,